If you spend a lot of time in Google Chrome, enabling dark mode is one of the easiest ways to make browsing feel cleaner, more comfortable, and a little easier on the eyes. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and open a new tab. This is where you'll find the Chrome customization options. In the bottom right corner of the new tab page, you'll see the Customize Chrome button. Click that to open the customization menu. This menu is where you can change the look and feel of your browser. Next, look for the color and theme option. Click on that and you'll see a list of different theme choices appear. From here, select the dark color theme. As soon as you click it, Chrome changes instantly and your browser will switch to dark mode right away. There's no extra saving step and no need to restart anything. If you want, you can also explore the other theme colors in this menu, but for a simple dark mode setup, the dark color theme is the one you want, and that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've turned on dark mode in Google Chrome and given your browser a much cleaner look. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.